moved on and off the court. The O-League focused on community and youth development, education, and empowerment. And tonight we congratulate Leon and Higginbotham as our inaugural team internship program 2000 ball scholarship recipient. Leon is currently a freshman at Rutgers University in New Brunswick, where she majors in management and global business. In 2013, Leon graduated from Burlington Township High School as an esteemed member of the National Honor Society, where she was also vice president. Leon is also displayed tremendous leadership qualities in many facets. Tabernacle Baptist Church in Burlington, New Jersey. Her work with the O-League has volunteered over 100 work hours, managed projects and planned events, and a whole lot more. Again, congratulations, Leon. Best wishes for all the future accomplishments and accolades to come. For more information about the O-League, go to their website, theoleague.org.